What gives you kapkapi in real life?
Movie releases. Seriously, goosebumps.
On the evening of May 22nd, the cast and the crew of the upcoming film Kapkapi came together for a special premiere screening in collaboration with Midday held in Mumbai. The event was graced by actor Tushar Kapoor, who plays a pivotal role in the film. He was joined by the rest of the ensemble cast as media and fans gathered to catch an early glimpse of the much anticipated horror comedy. Horror comedy is a very, very tricky genre to deal with, right? So, what really encouraged you to take this up?
Even though I'm not the most central character, it can be a role that stands out. So that's why I wanted to do it.
Unfortunately, we all lost Sangeet ji during the post-production process, and now the film is releasing. Maybe this was his last wish.
Actually, the dubbing for my part, everything was over when the unforeseen incident happened, and it was obviously an emotional shock for all of us. लेकिन फिर हमारा जो resolve है फिल्म को रिलीज करने के लिए और फिल्म को अच्छी रिलीज देने के लिए वो और भी स्ट्रांग हो गया. Our resolve became even stronger. So we are charged up to see that the film gets a good, good day one, a good reception.
Did you experience any spooky, incident? Any experience that you would like to share?
एक तो सबसे पहले तो मेरा खाना गलती से मिक्सअप हो गया, आया ही नहीं जब हम प्रमोशन पे गए थे सारे स्टूडियोज. फिर घर जाते मेरी कार खराब होगी, रास्ते में गाड़ी चेंज करनी पड़ी. फिर एयरपोर्ट पहुंचा तो जो मेरी टीम मेंबर्स है वो गेट तक पहुंचे ही नहीं टाइम पे, और वहाँ पता चला कि उनका बैग लोड नहीं हुआ क्योंकि हेयर ड्रायर था बैग में, मेरे हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट की बैग में, वो अलाउड नहीं है. तो फिर बॉम्बे जाकर उनका बैग नहीं आया, मेरे दूसरे मेकअप मैन का बैग टूट गया था. तो ऐसा लगता था कब की रिलीज होने के पहले ये सारी चीजें क्यों हो रही है.
A light-hearted rapid-fire round with the cast added a dose of fun to the evening, offering candid moments and behind-the-scenes insights from the shoot. If stuck in a haunted house, what is the one thing that you would carry?
Ouija board, ताकि बातें तो हो जाए आत्मा जी से.
What really scares you in life?
Nights like this, when the premiere is there, when you first think the movie, all your effort for the first time, that really scares me. So I'm really scared right now.
Varun, I can visibly see you are amongst the tallest in the group. What unfair advantage did you take on the sets to prank your colleagues or anything like that?
I could see कौन सा scene चल रहा है, so I knew actual what time से कितना.
दिल्ली तक दिखाई देता था, फरीदाबाद में खड़े रह के दिल्ली का क्या हाल चाल है उनको पता चल जाता था.
तीसरी का जो ATC टावर है.
Any spooky incidents that you guys actually experienced?
So one of the spooky incident was actually happened during the trailer launch only. जब हम लोग जब सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा था हमको होस्ट ने, एंड मेरा माइक ही नहीं चल रहा था, और मैं बार ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, माइक ही नहीं चल रहा है. अभी चल रहा है ना?
माइक चल रहा है.
कभी कैमरा नहीं चलता, चेक कर लो चल रहा है कि नहीं. सो आई थिंक सो है, आत्मा जी तो है, अब दर्शन देने आएंगी 23rd May को. सो डू वॉच इट.
Kapkapi has hit theaters today, promising a refreshing twist on the horror comedy genre.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.